Fact, there are thousands of beauty products on the market. Other fact, no human being actually has time to try them all. That's why we're doing the deep digging and test driving to find the very best one. Hi, I'm Catherine, the Kids Beauty Director. In the past few weeks, I have dabbed, not dragged, every eye cream I could find in my search for the very best one. I tried over 20 of them, and I'm going to take you through my top 3. First up is this cult classic from Kiehl's. It's extra creamy and looks a little like guacamole because it's packed with avocado oil to keep the skin under your eyes happy and hydrated. Best of all, it never migrates into eyes and looks flawless under concealer. Next is this Purple Pearl from Japanese brand Tatcha. Part skincare, part makeup, it brightens and firms thanks to niacinamide while also instantly banishing dark circles with light reflecting pigments. It comes in 3 shades and can make you look rested even when you're running on 3 hours of sleep and a double cappuccino. Last but not least is this pick from Buzzy brand Drunk Elephant. Think of it as a multivitamin for your eyes. It's got 8 peptides, 5 forms of vitamin C, and cucumber extract to help you look refreshed on the daily while boosting elasticity and smoothing fine lines and wrinkles. But if you only buy one, I would go with the Drunk Elephant. It checks off all the boxes, illuminating tired eyes and strengthening skin in the long run to slow down the signs of aging. In other words, it's got your back now and for years to come. And there you have it. Rest assured knowing your eyes are in the best possible hands. The kit's got you covered.